Hello guys, welcome back to again iTechHub YouTube channel and my name is Dhruvin. So guys, in this video I will show you how to change Roblox that sound. Lot of Roblox users too has been reported to also how to change Roblox that sound. Now the Roblox users question is what to do for the change that sound. Before the starting this video, please make sure you subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video about iPhone and Android device. In this video, I will learn about the how to change Roblox that sound on PC. Now the first one's question is how to download the another Roblox that sound. Now first of all, this website link I give you in this video description box, so guys please make sure copy and paste on the browser. Open the browsers and copy paste the URL, and now you can see also download options available. Now please make sure download this Roblox sounds. Once the download is completed, now simple open the folder of the Roblox sound. Now to find out this folder from the PC and copy paste on the desktop. Now this folder format is zip file. Now simply right and click and tap on the asterisk all on the desktop mode. One extract the folders, after open it, now 3 sound is available. Now the simply copy and paste on the desktop mode. Now the Roblox users question is what to do for the change the Roblox that sound. In the Windows computer, now bottom search bar, in search bar search the run command. Run command search, after open it, after you can see also search bar is available. In search bar search app data and tap on the OK. Once the app data is open, after you can see also local options is available. Now please make sure tap on the local. In the local sections, now again scroll down and find out the Roblox folder. Open the Roblox folders, after you can see also fourth one option is versions. Now please make sure open it. Once you open the versions, after you can see also first one option is content. Now please make sure tap on it. In the content sections, now second last option is sound options available. Now please make sure again open it. In the sound sections, you can see also last one is och.the OGG file is available. It's a Roblox also that sound by default. Now the in sound sections, these files delete, after you can see also anyone select from the desktop and copy and paste on these sound sections. Paste on the sound folders, after you can see also this way too you can easily change Roblox that sound on your PC. This all the process done, after you can easily restart your Roblox applications and you can easily change the that sound. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you so much.